Hello students, this is your third video of second lesson. This video we are going to learn about estimating sums. Estimating sums. What is estimating sums? Estimating sums means in previous video we have learnt about rounding numbers. Rounding nearest to 10, rounding nearest to 100, like that we learnt. In this estimating sums, rounding numbers plus addition and subtraction. Okay, rounding numbers, you have to round the number. Okay, then you have to add. Okay, first question, in a box, two boxes, box A and box B. In box A, 92 coins. In box B, 47 coins. Estimate the sum. In box A, 92 coins. Box B, 47 coins. Estimate the sum. Sum means addition. Okay, add. How to add? See, box A, 92 coins. So just round 92 to the nearest 10. Round 92 to the nearest 10. What is the nearest 10? This is 92. Nearest 10 is 90. So no need to explain nearest 10. How to find nearest 10? No need to explain. Already I explained in the previous class. Okay. So 92 coins. Nearest 10 is 90. Okay. 47 coins. Nearest 10 is 50. Add 0. 9 plus 5. 14. 140. This is the estimating sum. Estimating sum. Okay. The actual sum. What is the actual sum? Actual sum. 92 plus 47. 92, 47. 2 plus 7. 9. 9 plus 4. 13. 139. This is the actual sum. Actual addition. Addition. We are doing addition here. Okay. This is the actual addition. 139. Okay. What is the estimated addition? Estimated addition is 140. Okay. So the difference between the estimated addition and the actual addition is 140, 139. What is the difference between 139 and 140? Difference is 1. Okay, this is very easy, same like our normal addition. This is very easy, but two additions you have to do. One estimated addition, another one actual addition. How to do the estimated addition? Estimated addition, you have to find the nearest 10. In this sum, nearest 10. Okay, next problem, nearest 100 will come. Okay, so after that you have to find the difference. What is the difference? Difference, simply I wrote here 1. Difference means subtraction. If you are subtracting 140 and 149, what will be the difference? 1 you will get. Okay. Next one, from your book, exercise 2.4, first one. Estimate such sums to the nearest 10. Compare with the actual sums. Exercise 2.4 A1. Okay, you have to estimate the sum with the nearest 10 and compare with the actual addition. 73 and 48. Add 73 and 48 to the nearest 10. So 73 nearest 10. No need to write nearest 10. Simply you can put one arrow. 73. Nearest 10 is 70. Okay. 48. Nearest 10 is 50. Add 0. 7 plus 5. 12. 120. Okay. 120. Next. This is estimated sum. Next you have to find the actual sum also. Actual sum. 73 plus 48. 73 plus 48. And 8 plus 3, 11. Okay. Balance 1. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 121. The estimated sum is 120 and the actual sum is 121. What will be the difference? 120 and 121? 1 will be the difference. Difference is equal to 1. Okay, only like that. Next one. This is estimate the sum with the nearest 10. Next one we are going to learn about estimate the sum with the nearest 100. B. 278, 387. 278 plus 387. Okay, this is nearest 100. Nearest 100. Everything it mentioned in your book. Nearest 10, nearest 100, everything is mentioned. Okay, see, nearest 100, 278. What will be the nearest 100? Okay, this is 200. So answer will be 200 or 300. 278. This is more than the half. 250 is the mid number. Okay, so more than the mid number. So 300 is the nearest 100. 387. 387. Nearest 100 is 400. Okay, add 0, 0, 7. This is the estimated sum. Now we are going to find the actual sum. Actual sum. 278 plus 387. 278 plus 387. Add 8 plus 7, 15. Cut 5. Balance 1. Okay. Right here. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. Cut 6. Balance 1. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 665. See? 665. Estimated sum is 700. Actual sum is 665. Understood? So find the difference. Difference is equal to 700 minus 665. You have to difference means subtraction. What is the difference? Subtraction. 700 minus 665. Subtract here 0, here 5. We can't subtract. Borrow from left side. Here also 0. Then left side. Here is 6 now. This is 9 and this is 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 6, 3. The difference is 35. So write difference is equal to 35. So 35 is the difference between the estimated sum and the actual sum. Understood? 35 is the difference between the estimated sum and the actual sum. This is addition. Next, subtraction also. Okay, subtraction also will come. Exercise 2.5. Estimating differences. Differences means subtraction. Okay. Exercise 2.5 A. Estimate each difference to the nearest 10. Compare the actual differences. 52 minus 27. 52 minus 27. Estimate nearest 10. Nearest 10. Okay. 52 minus 27. So first 52. What will be the nearest 10? What will be the nearest 10? 52. So 50 is the nearest 10. Okay. Here I will not teach how to find the nearest 10. Already I taught in the previous video. Next 27. 27. Nearest 10. 30. Okay. Subtraction. This is difference. Difference means subtraction. 50 minus 30, 20. 50 minus 30, 20. This is your mental mathematics. Okay, you have to be, okay, you have to learn mental mathematics also. 20. Next, actual subtraction. Actual subtraction. 52, sorry, 52, 27. 52 minus 27. Subtract. Normal subtraction. Okay. 2, 5. There we did addition. That is estimating sums. Sums means, sum means add. Sum means add. Okay. Difference means subtract. Okay. Product means multiplication. Understood? 52, 27. 2 minus 7 we can't, so we have to borrow from left side. Now this is 4, this is 12. 12 minus 7, 5. 4 minus 2, 2. 25. Okay, the actual sum is 25. Actual difference is 25. Estimated difference is 20. So total difference is 25 minus 25. Total difference is 5. Now understood? One more time I will explain. That is sum. Sum means addition. In question everything will be written. Estimating sum with nearest 10 or nearest 100, everything will be there. Okay, I will mention everything here. First, that is addition. This is subtraction. Estimating differences. 52 minus 27. 52 minus 27. So 52 nearest to 10. This is nearest to 10. So what is nearest to 10? 50. 27. What is nearest to 10? 30. Subtract. 50 minus 30, 20. Then actual sum also you have, actual difference also you have to find. Actual 52 minus 27. 2, 7. Okay, we can't, so you have to borrow from left side. Now 12. 12 minus 7, 5. 4 minus 2, 25. Then after that, again 25 minus 20. Difference, because you have to find the difference also. If it is addition or subtraction, you have to find the difference also. 25 minus 25. This is the difference. And one more from 3-digit number. Estimate each difference to the nearest 100. Nearest 100. Okay. First question. 686 minus 243. 686 minus 243. Nearest 100. First, 686. What is the nearest 100? 600, 700. Okay, 600 is here, 700 is here. Mid number 650. This is 686. So 700 will be the nearest 100. Okay, 243. 243. Nearest 100. What will be the nearest 100? 200. 243. Okay, nearest 100 is 200. How? 200 is here. 300 will be here. In mid number is 250. Okay, if it is less than the mid number, less than half, you have to take the previous number. So 200. Subtraction. 700 minus 200. Okay, 0, 0, 5. 500. Okay, like this simple subtraction you have to do in mental mathematics. Okay, have to do in mental mathematics. 200 minus 700 minus 200, 500, 800 minus 200, 600, 800 minus 300, 500. Within a fraction of second you have to say. Okay, that is called mental mathematics. Everything you have to do here, not in your board or not in your paper. Understood? Next, actual sum. 686. 686. 243. 243. Subtract. 6 minus 3. 9. Sorry. I did addition. 6 minus 3. 3. 8 minus 4. 4. 6 minus 2. 4. 443. See. Estimated subtraction is 500. Actual subtraction is 443. Next you have to find the difference. Difference. 500 minus 443. Larger number minus smaller number. Okay, like that you can find. 500 is larger, 443 is smaller. So 500 minus 443. 0, 3. We can't. Okay, borrow from left side. Here 0. Here. Now 4. This is 9. This is 10. Okay, 10 minus 3, 7. 9 minus 4, 5. 4 minus 4, leave it 0. So the difference is 57. Difference is 57. Okay, your answer is difference. You have to find the difference between the estimated sum and the actual sum. Don't get any confused between the estimated and actual. Actual means direct subtraction. Okay, whatever it is given, directly you have to subtract. See, 686, 243, direct subtraction. Estimated means you have to find the nearest to 10 or nearest to 100, whatever it is mentioned in the question, you have to find the nearest 10 or 100. After that, you have to find the difference between the estimated numbers. Okay, now you understood. Hey, this is estimated sum. Now I hope you understood everything. Okay, thank you all.